Hello friends, running kimono. I need to go and buy a lottery ticket because everything worked out today over at Walgreens. Oh my gosh. This is in this weekend's newspaper, which is the P&G insert. You might want to pick up a couple, and I'll talk about that in a quick second. We have a basket deal there. We have deals of the week I think you need to do because they're so amazing. And Easter stuff actually hit 70%, so I got a couple little odds and ends. The weather report for you, kind of a cold blah sort of a day. Hi to my mom if she's watching. I hope she's having a terrific day. Okay, so Easter stuff for the longest time was at 50% off or 40% off. Easter's very weird. It's either really great or not so great at Walgreens. So 70% off. The candy I think was still 50, but I didn't get the cashier to scan everything. I stay far away from that sort of stuff. I thought these bags were super uber cute, and they were $1.28 for 4. I thought this would be the perfect size to put like a Bath and Body Works single wick, you know, nice little thinking of you Easter sort of gift. So $1.29 for that, and this is by Hallmark. These Big Daddies, it's like an Easter basket. And I thought they were so cute with all these Disney princesses. They were $2.09. I used a register reward to pay that down, but how stinking cute. I wish I could have found a third one, but I only found 2, but still happy with that. I got some Paw Patrol in these, a whole bunch of cool Easter baskets by Aunt Rach next Easter. Definitely hang on to those. And if you have no little ones to give these to, you could even use it for storage for your stockpile, because look how sizable these are. Very large little Easter baskets. I'm gonna call it a tote. Okay, so the next 2 deals I suspected were the same, which are the deals of the week. My store had nothing tagged, but the Tresemme and the Glide are both on the same promotion. So just to note that if you're gonna do these deals, do them in separate transactions, or the register rewards, 2 of them will not print for you. Just the rules over there. This is the hottest deal of the week. Do this one ASAP. The Oral-B dental flosses are $4 a pop, so 3 of them is $12 on the nose. This morning we got a $6.50 off of 3. So what you're gonna do, guys, is pay $5.50. If you're not doing this with a booster, you can roll some Walgreens cash if you wish. You're gonna get back this, which is a $4 store coupon. That's not a regular register reward. It is a store coupon, so treat this one like an IBC. Sorry, we're having a focusing problem here today. But if you look right there, it says store coupon. That's not like a regular manufacturer coupon, just to note that. Okay, so after you get your store coupon, you take that receipt, photograph it to IBOTTA. They're giving you $2 back for each of these. So it makes this free plus a $4.50 money maker. The floss picks, the brushes, and this are all part of it, depending what your IBOTTA has. So ASAP, guys, such a great deal. Little deal with a store register reward is on the Tresemme. They are 2 for $10. This morning we got a 4 off of 2 digital. So what you're gonna do is grab 2 of these in the store for 10 on the nose. Subtracting that 4 off of 2, you either pay $6 or roll you know, some Walgreens cash. And then if you're not doing this with a booster, and then you're gonna get this. So the final price point for this is $2 for 2 or $1 per bottle. Also a really fantastic price point. Fantastic price point. This, move on it right away. Do not waste your time. Move on this really quickly. Guys, so as I was saying earlier, I got some newspapers at Walgreens today, so please don't kill the messenger here because I know a lot of you are paying a fortune for newspapers. The newspaper up here is only $1.25. We have both the P&G and One Smart Source. This is tideless though, which sucks, but still make something out of nothing. So I grabbed 4 papers for $5. I used $5 in Walgreens cash, and yes, you can buy newspapers with your Walgreens cash. And yeah, I didn't even have to pay tax, and I have coupons for the next, you know, if I need some. And a little bit of this, a little bit of that, you know, not the worst little deal. And I saw some Bic coupons in here. Yeah, these are going to be really fantastic if I track them down at the Dollar General. And the P&G, this is the gold standard of coupons. So if you do not want to pay an arm and a leg, that is definitely the way to do it. Alternatively, use your store register reward because why not? So the last deal that I have is this, and I'm going to explain what I did. I had two different boosters. I had spend 22, get back 5. I also had a paper booster of spend 25, get back 7. Guess what? Both of those stacked for me. So this is what I did, guys. I grabbed 4 of these Tides and I grabbed the liquid. For whatever reason, if you grab like one Tide Pod, one Bounty, one of these, one of those, that's 6. This does not print, but if you grab all like items, it prints for whatever stupid reason. So I grabbed 4 liquid Tides. I wish I could have found a 4th one of these, but they didn't have that many. So I got $22. Guess what? I'm $3 short from getting my basket right to 25 for that the paper booster. So I threw in these 2 little cute Tresemes for 10 bucks. I have that 4 off of 2 digital, plus I'm gonna get this store register reward when I buy 2. So looking at this entire basket, that is $32. Okay, I got the cashier to scan the 7 when you spend 25 booster. I had the 4 off of 2 digital for the Tresemme come off. And then I used 4 manufacturer register rewards from last week. A $5 for this, a $5 for this, a $4 for this. Wasn't gonna push my luck too much. And so the new total for me was $14. And then I got back $12 in Walgreens cash. 7 for the paper booster, 5 for the digital booster. And then I got back these 2 register rewards, this one for the Tide, this one for the Tresemme. So, you know, it just made it a really awesome deal for me. If you do not have all those register rewards to throw into your basket, if you were doing no deals last week, you would pay $28 out of pocket and then get back $12 in Walgreens cash if you have the same boosters as I, and then get back like $10 in register rewards. Remember, this is a store one, a little different. So it makes it $6 for the 6 or $1 each. I got a better deal going. So if you were really like pursuing a bunch of deals last week and collecting so many register rewards, that's a really good way to put them into something else with this deal. And remember, the store register reward is different than a regular register reward. We haven't had this in a really long time. I'll link a video at the end if you don't know the difference, but this one is kind of tricky. Do not use this in a spend deal like this, or it will reduce down the cost of your basket. So as always, guys, thanks for watching. Get out and do these deals, especially this one. How fantastic is that? See you guys later. Bye.